Uh, Hi everyone, this is Uday Pillai regarding my experience of SAP implementations, and I do have a couple of implementations, rollout and production support. Now we are discussing about FIGL, General Ledger Module. Generally, this General Ledger Module is a central repository of financial activity. So we are providing financial statements to the authorities for statutory reporting purpose. Financial statements are income and expenses statement as well as balance sheet of organization. So organization means it is a global organization. We have headquarters in US spread over throughout the globe, having different countries, 200 countries or 300 countries. Each country will create a company code, one company code or two company codes, whatever their requirements. So these reports, financial statements, should disclosure of financial statements. It should be a fair, transparent to authorities like SEC, stock, exchange, commissions, as well as FASBA and IFRS. So IFRS means International Financial Report Standards, reporting standards. So IFRS is highly quality, comprehensive, global accepted set of accounting standards. In many instances, IFRS contains similar concepts to US GAAP, and we are going to produce all these financial statements to the statutory and legal authorities to be submitted. So we are looking for general ledger. In SAP, we have a called module to record the transactions and store the transactions to prepare financial statements. In SAP, we have general ledger accounting, and SAP come up with new general ledger. We'll go next topic as a new general ledger, but we will focus on right now general ledger. So the main purpose of general ledger is to record financial activity of a company and to produce financial and management reports to help stakeholders and make the decisions. So these are the relevant to management for purpose as well as statutory for preparing a financial statements for a particular calendar year or any year or every year, quarterly, half yearly, they need these financial reports. For this reason, SAP come up with a solution creating a chart of accounts. This chart of accounts consists of group chart of accounts, operating chart of accounts, account group, and GL master records. Any record, any expenses, any transaction in business transactions which is having value in SAP, example, paid salaries, we are debiting salary account and creating cash account or bank account. $1,000. Paid salaries debit $1,000 and creating bank account or cash account $1,000. This transaction has to be recorded in the SAP. So for that reason, SAP is recognizing the salary description with a code, the naming code, numbering code. The code consists of 1 to 10 digits maximum limit. So we are going to create as a 6-digit code. Salary is a 6-digit code. Supplies is a 6-digit code. So we are creating this 6-digit code in SAP. So to create our existing ones which we have, so to create this GL account code or any code in SAP, we have lot of expenses, lot of assets, liabilities and clearing accounts in SAP. So for example, we keep up 1,500 or 2,000 accounts we have for an organization. So to create this, where we have to store, that's why SAP has given a grouping, categorize all the expenses, liabilities, all categorized, provisions, all categorized, different account group. So we are creating stakeholders, one group, and all expenses related to non-financial expenses, financial expenses, losses, depreciation, and also assets, fixed assets, current assets, and other mode of assets. Current assets, again, cash expenses, so current assets, working capital, like that we are going to grouping them. So these are called as account groups in SAP. And we want to store all these GL list, 1,500 or 2,000 GL lists in some container. So when you create a chart of accounts, it is going to create a template for GL master. So in SAP, chart of accounts is a template storing of GL master records. All list of GL accounts would be there in the chart of accounts. So in order to look at globe-wise consolidation, we have a group chart of accounts, means group GL account. To know the consolidation, that is meant for only consolidation. Overall look, if you want throughout the globe revenues, income statement, balance sheet, we need a group chart of accounts for consolidation purpose. So initially we are creating group chart of accounts, then we are creating each country wise chart of accounts. And in SAP, each country or company code operations to extract the financial reports external purpose, that is income statement and balance sheet, profit and loss balance sheet, legal entity. So each country will have their own legal entity. The legal entity identified with key, with 4 digits key. Chart of accounts also is identified with 4 digits key. So what we create in chart of accounts? Chart of account is a 3-step process in SAP. So SAP is calling as a variant. The variant concept will come, but variant will have 3-step process. Define a chart of accounts, define the properties of chart of accounts, assign the chart of accounts to a company code. SAP has given a model IDES to practice, to implement how it look like, are industry specific or industries in the IDES system, SAP IDES system. So SAP has provided INT chart of accounts, IKR chart of accounts. For America, CIUS is the chart of accounts. These chart of accounts, whatever we creating, we are assigning to a company code, that is a legal entity. The company code, whenever you assign it, we are going to call it as operational chart of accounts. So now, in order to create a chart of accounts, we need to create initially group chart of accounts in SAP. Group, again you have to create a chart of accounts, and you need to create account groups and GL master. So first step is group chart of accounts, second step is chart of accounts, account group, GL accounts. In SAP we need at least two groups minimum. One is profit and loss account group and balance sheet account group. Minimum we need two, and maximum, that's your organization depends, business process depends on your business process, and GL masters. So this how to create, or you can copy when you are implementing a new project. You can migrate those GL accounts to SAP. So if you want to migrate GL accounts to SAP, first you need to migrate with group chart of accounts, then operating chart of accounts and account groups, GL masters. Extend the GL master to a company code. So this is a process of migrating the GL accounts from legacy system to the SAP system. So whenever you assign a chart of accounts to a company code, we are going to call it as operational chart of accounts. Move on to next slide.